Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft game crashed. An unexpected issue occurred and the game has crashed. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, scroll down and find users folder. Now you just need to double click on your username folder. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username. After knowing that, just double click on the folder and now click on the view tab on the top and select show and check mark this hidden items option. And now you can able to see app data folder. Double click on it. Double click on a roaming folder. Double click on a .minecraft folder. Now you just need to find web cache folders. If you have one or two web cache folder in here, then you just need to right click on it and select delete it. After deleting those folders, you just need to close stuff here and right click on the Minecraft launcher and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Minecraft without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.